Jordi Alba confessed at press conference that Barça's options of winning La Liga depends on winning against Madrid Sunday's Clásico.
Bueno, jo crec que no hi ha favorits en un clàssic com aquest. És veritat que estan per davant nostra i bueno, necessitem guanyar aquest partit per bueno, aspirar també a la Lliga, però jo crec que en aquest partit no hi ha favorit. No?
Barça squad trained this afternoon preparing the important game against Madrid next Sunday. Puyol is not recovered from his injury and so he didn't train with the group. About Dani Alves, Barça's right-back explained in a Goal TV interview that in Madrid Barça matches players know that everybody's watching them and they must play the game of their life. There's a lot of people expecting you to do it. Alves confessed that they need to be totally concentrated. The Catalan Federation presented this video promoting fair play. Iniesta, Xavi and Messi participated on it, as well as Guardiola did it.
Respetar su ilusión.
Before Father's Day celebration finishes, we want to show you some of the memorable Barça daddies. If you want to keep in touch with all Barça news, log on at wilova.com.